Hey, another update that we think is great, especially for all the Magento developers and webmasters and business owners. We know Magento is an amazing e-commerce platform owned by Adobe. So we know Magento is being in the transition to Magento 2. So we have worked for that version of Magento. This is a plugin that is going to make you we think it's going to make your life a bit easier in terms of how to manage and how to uh, work with your customers the way now things go. And the idea is what we have done is we have done an add-on for you to chat with your customers in WhatsApp. That's the idea. The idea is, as you can see here, your orders are going to be linked to the WhatsApp number of your customer. So you can start a conversation right from here with your customer in WhatsApp. This is a form to preview the conversation. When you click here, we jump to WhatsApp and we can send the message to the customer. This is a test. The phone number is not correct, but this is for you to see what is happening. We keep track of the message here, so you can see what your agent or a support team is doing with your customers. And if you go to the details of the order, the same. You can see here the button and you can see here the last message you send to your customer. That's the idea. The idea is to keep track of every interaction you are doing with your customers. In terms of how this works, if we go to modules, what is this configuration? I think. Yes, we go here to chat. This is the module. We have another video I'm going to leave in the description with how to install. We have another demo of the product running, so you can see how this works. But here, if you go to chat, you can configure the, let's call them by default messages, like based on the status of the order. You can set up and you can define a message. The idea is to speed up the process for your agents. They just need to go, review, click, send. That's it. If the order is pending, please create your payment. If the order is processing, you can tell them, hey, the estimated time is going to be whatever. If it's canceled, hey, can I help you? Can we do something for you? How we can make this happen? Something that makes the user happy. Completed. Thank you for your business. How we can help you, in the future. Here you have a coupon. This is an NPS for you to give us your feedback. This is a template for, based on the order status, you can define a predefined message for your agents. So, the idea is to help you as much as we can in terms of customer support with WhatsApp. Of course, you can add the widget to your Magento store just in case you want to keep track of your users. But the idea is from the backend to help your customers, to help your clients with WhatsApp. Very easy to set up. As I said, we have a video explaining how to install the plugin. And if you need help, support, if you need to, if you need us to help you configuring, we have also templates for messages you can use. We have a ton of resources for you. We want to help you. And I think that's it. We will have a new version soon where this process is completely automated. You will be able to send the messages automated with a WhatsApp API. Again, the idea is to help you help your customers. How? With the best WhatsApp, with the best channel, WhatsApp, no, is where they are all day long. And the idea is to send them, updates, news, coupons, NPS, whatever you need to make your customer happy and, buy more, purchase more, anything like that. Hope you like it. We know Magento is a really cool platform, and we hope this makes you happy and help you. All right. Thank you. Bye.